Rivian, you may or may not have seen Rivian trucks driving around Metro Atlanta. They are a pretty cool looking truck, and I was very excited when I thought Georgia made this huge advance in technology by winning the Rivian plant. So earlier this year, we did a segment on the show about Rivian opening its battery and assembly plant in the Atlanta area outside of Atlanta. Well, now the future of this project is in question. We read an article recently in the Atlanta Business Chronicle that says state and local economic development officials say they are assessing all legal options after a county judge struck down a crucial part of a $1.5 billion incentive package for electric vehicle startup Rivian Automotive. The ruling puts into question the future of the project that Governor Brian Kemp once called the largest in Georgia's history, before landing an even larger EV product for Hyundai just months later. The Center for Economic Accountability says the ruling was a victory for taxpayers and the rule of law in Georgia. The move was almost unprecedented. At this time, economic developers responded to their communities. They're saying now it's time for economic developers to respond to their communities rather than cater to the demands of the companies they're subsidizing. Rivian's battery and assembly factory is planned for Stanton Springs Industrial Park along I-20 east of Atlanta. It's supposed to produce 400,000 vehicles per year. So not just the batteries, but the vehicles themselves, with construction completed in 2024. The project promised 7,500 jobs with an average salary of $56,000. But residents near the 2,000-acre project argue it would damage the environment and increase traffic. I don't know what side of that argument you are on, but it looks like there could be trouble for the Rivian plan, or certainly trouble with Georgia being able to provide the incentives that Georgia wants to provide for that particular project.